in the home page, you will see two modes for the instant playback mode and the scheduled playback mode. So after clicking this instant playback mode icon, you will be directed to this main display setting page. Like you can adjust, you can choose the vertical or the portrait display, or you can go to this page by selecting the screen layout. It's actually the same page, and then click the next button. You will see many settings section over here. The first one is the weather and clock section, so you can choose whether you want to turn on the weather function or the clock function. You can choose one of it, as it cannot be turned on at the same time. So please note that. Yeah, and then you will see the other section is for the background music. So if you have any background music MP3, you can select insert the file over here, and then you will see the next section is the new sticker section. So you can edit the content over here, like the preview will show in the bottom, and then you can like change the color of the text, and also whether you want any background. Okay, and then the position, whether you want the new sticker to be on the up or down. The next one is the interactive touch section. This section is only for the touch panel. Like when user touch the screen, this content you set will show up. So you can insert any HTML5 folder or URL, like your official website or TikTok link, Facebook link, YouTube link over here. When user touch it, it will pop up, and then this section will automatically resume the playback after how many seconds, like or minute. You can set it over here. The default is for 3 seconds, and then we will at the same time it will show a back button. So customer can choose to like go back to the playback immediately by clicking this back button, and then the position you can set the position. So now this is a touch screen. When I click on the instant playback and go to the interactive touch, over here I have inserted a HTML5 folder, and then the playback time, resume playback after, is set to 10 seconds. The position is the upper left, so I will go play now, and then the software will reopen. And this is the playback, right? When someone touch it, the HTML5 will activate it, and then customer can click on the screen for some interactive content, right? And then if I didn't touch it now, and wait for a while. You will see the interactive will start countdown. Tap to exit. You will go back to the playback, and I touch it again. It will activate the HTML5 content again. And now I will wait for the countdown finish, and then we'll see it will automatically go back to the playback, even if I didn't tap it. Yes, this is the result for the interactive touch setting. And the next section is the multimedia section. This section you can insert the content, like image, video, website, or the audio over here. This is the format we supported, and then also for each resolution we have the best image and video size. So you can see the resolution here for every split screen or full screen size, yeah, over here. And then after but only for the two-way split screen or the three-way split screen, after you have selected it and then you click the add button, then the edit content window will show up. So apart from the best video size and image size, it will have another setting for this video. Actually, it's only for the video, as this is the ratio for the full screen ratio for the video size. Let's say I have insert, like this one is the three-way split screen, and then this is the first resolution is the MP4, right? So I can set the MP4 full screen on the first section. And then the other one is a picture. The third one is also a video. So in this case, the full screen resolution will only on the first section. Yeah, because I already chose it to be full screen, right? So this is the setting. And then after done editing, the content you set will be over here. And then if you want to edit it again, and then just click this edit icon. And then also you can drag it by like reorder the playback order. And then you can batch apply the duration for picture, for image only. Like this one, you can set it one by one, right? Also, you can set it batch apply to the 2 minute. All the image will be 2 minute. Yes. Also, the video MP4 file duration cannot be like edited. Cannot be edited. So you can only choose whether you want to play one time or two times. Maximum is 99 times. So this is the setting. Also a delete all button over here and a delete button for every content. And then you can also add a note for this content, as maybe you don't know this split screen is for what content. You have to click inside the edit to see it. But for now, we have a little note bar here, so we can edit it to different happy birthday. Yeah, so maybe you will know this is the happy birthday content. And then there's a play now button over here. After clicking, the software will restart, and then it will directly go to the playback mode. This is the playback. This is the playback for instant playback mode.